PolyWorks Inspector remains a market leader in 3D scanning-based inspections, owing to continuous innovations that help you increase your productivity. The 2025 release introduces a new pre-alignment feature that takes minimal user input to enable laser scanning within the coordinate system of the CAD model. Specify the scanning direction and your laser scanner is instantly aligned with the CAD model. You can now measure parts in an uninterrupted scanning workflow. After the first scan passes, you are automatically guided to ensure sufficient scan data coverage for all measurements and obtain real-time feedback on scan data quality. The productivity gain further increases with multi-piece inspections. The automated pre-alignment guarantees the repeatability of the measurement workflow, even when not using fixtures or fixed setups. Download PolyWorks Inspector 2025 and experience the benefits of a faster laser scanning workflow.